Diane and Denmark here, rah rah rah, and woohoo, we are on day 9 of our 2026 reset. Why are we doing this? We're just making life a little bit better. I've got a prompt for you every day, and the good thing about this is I've done all the thinking for you. You don't need to think of anything. There's no pressure. You don't need to be printing out lists. If you miss a day, doesn't matter. You just get started with me here and now. So what is our prompt for today? And I know for some of you this will be a wee bit scary, but it's all right. We're going to do it together. I want you to have a look in your fridge. And I know you're already feeling that chill of what is hiding in the fridge. Have you still got some Christmas leftovers in there? And we're just, just do it here and now. Take a deep breath. It'll be all right. And I've always got my secret weapon here, which is my trusty timer. Before you start, just set the timer for 5 minutes, 10 minutes. And I just want you to look and see what's in there. Have you got some leftovers that you can use for your dinner, for your tea, the next couple of days? Same applies to your pantry or your freezer. Do you have some festive food in there that we should really be moving along, getting used up? I hate food waste. Let's get it used. And the thing with the fridge is we're not reorganizing the whole fridge. We are not buying new fancy containers and watching YouTube videos of how to organize everything. We're just taking a look right here and now, seeing what's in there, because when you know what's in there, then you can move forward, okay? And there's no guilt here if you've got expired food. Just take a few minutes and let's get that out of there. And if all you do today is find one thing from the fridge and put it in the food recycling, that's great. We just want, that's the idea behind these tiny tasks. We're making things a little bit better. And feel free to chime in and tell us what you find in there. Or if you've found some ingredients and you don't know what to make with that, ask in the comments. You're all very creative here. And otherwise, no pressure on you to like, subscribe and all that stuff. The main thing is I want you to join me here every day at the kitchen table. We're doing it together, and I know lots of you are seeing fantastic success. So anyway, I'm going to get on with my day. I'll give you a wee cheer on with my pom-poms and see you back here for day 10. Wow, 2 whole weeks. See you back here for day 10 with the rah, rah, rah.